Hey friends, it's Kivia. Welcome back, or welcome if this is your first time here. In today's video, I'll finally be tackling our primary bathroom. It's been a long time coming. I appreciate you all coming back for another video. So let's get started.
I don't have to party to have fun, you see. I got different hobbies, and that's all I need.
Okay, before we get started, I just wanted to give you all an overview of the bathroom. As you can see, it has not been decorated and it's been like this since we moved in 2 years ago, which is a shame, but that's exactly why I am trying to take care of things right now, and I'm so excited to show you all all of the packages that I received from Amazon. So let's open these up to see exactly what I have and if it looks the way that it looked on the picture. Starting with this faucet, I initially thought I ordered the wrong item. Although I read the description, I ended up sending this back, but I ordered it again in black. The stopper is what threw me off since it was so large, but after watching my husband install it, it made a lot more sense. I really love the shower head. The water pressure is really good on this, but we will have to hire a plumber to install the handle because the piping has to be changed out. We thought that was something that would be easy, but once my husband took it off, it was harder than we thought. As far as the faucet, this was another issue, something that we had to end up sending back because we would have to hire a plumber. The way they had all of this set up in the house, it was like if we didn't get those upgrades when they were offered to us when this house was built, they made it so difficult for these items to be changed out. So just make sure you keep that in mind. And once we get started on changing stuff out, you'll see exactly what I am talking about. These cabinet pulls didn't work out. If you've been here for a while, you already know I've had issues with these in the past. These are the towel hooks. I really love these, so I did decide to keep these. And we're going to be changing out the sockets and the electrical switches. And this was the disaster that my husband found behind the mirror that he took off of this wall. I don't know what type of glue they used to hold this up. Looked like some concrete or something, but it definitely left some major holes in here. So he did go to Lowe's to pick up some patch kits. Okay, I'll be honest and say that I don't love the paint color. It has too much of a yellow undertone for me, and I didn't want to go through the hassle of repainting everything. Trust me, I thought about it, but the way my arms was hurting, I said no, I will just have to live with it. But one recommendation I will give you all, and something that I will take into consideration myself, is to make sure you buy sample paint and test that out on your walls before you get a gallon size bucket, and you won't be wasting your money basically. So I decided to be bold and go with black for the accent wall in the water closet, which I was definitely excited about. But once the paint finished drying, I did not like the way that it looked. If you have any tips when it comes to painting, please let me know, because it seems like it looked really dry in certain spots and shiny in other spots. This is a satin paint, and you can kind of see what I'm talking about here. Is not coming off as clear on camera, but If you have any tips when it comes to painting, please let me know. So I did go ahead and find this wallpaper on Amazon. I do like the way that it looked. I was not going to fight trying to get that behind the toilet, so I avoided that. I'm just adding these shelves that I already had. I'm going to put some toilet tissue on here and some decorative items. This was another major problem we ran into. I thought taking these off would be a pretty simple fix. Just pop these off, pop the new ones on, and that would be that. But it was not that simple. In order for us to change everything out, we would definitely have to get to the access point, which that would require us to cut a hole out in this tub, and that was not about to happen. So I said, you know what? I'm going to do what I do best, and that's spray paint. So that's exactly what I did.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an episode that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, come through, I think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right
friends, just wanted to give you an update. If you've been following me for a while, you know I've been struggling to find the right size cabinet pulls. I had no idea that adjustable cabinet pulls existed. When I was looking on Amazon, I found them and I was so excited. I started off with these gold ones, but it was the wrong color, so I ended up sending these back and going for some black ones, and these coordinated a lot better with what I had going on in the bathroom. These are some other items that I end up picking up from Target, ordering some more stuff from Amazon just to complete the space. And I'm just going to finish putting all this together and you guys will see the outcome in the end. This was some signs that I already had. I just spray painted these black. So let's finish this up so you guys can see the outcome. Alright friends, here's a quick reminder of how the bathroom looked prior to decorating. I'm so excited that I decided to go through with this because it turned out absolutely amazing in my opinion. So here we are. Okay, my friends, that's going to be it for this video. I really hope you all enjoy. If you have any questions, make sure you leave me a comment down below. All of the items that I can list will be listed in the description box, so make sure you check that out if you are interested in anything. Y'all just don't know the struggle putting this video together. I'm telling you, it's been a struggle. It was supposed to be out on Sunday. We'll talk about it later, but just know I didn't have any storage, so that's why you're getting it late. But please make sure you show all the love you can by sharing this video, liking this video, and on this video. As always, thank you so much for supporting my channel. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with a friend, and until next time, my friends, take care.
I wake up and live my dream. Someday soon I'm gonna make it, yeah.